Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about a special class called adapter classes. Later, we are going to learn inner class. So, end of this video, you will be able to explain what is an adapter class and inner class. So, let us see what is an adapter class. This is same like an interface where it has got methods, and these methods are or this has got empty implementation. So this is useful when when you receive and process only some of the event. You're not interested in living receiving and processing all the event. For example, if you take mouse can create many events, which can be a dragging, clicking, or selecting, or there are many events which can be created by a mouse. But you are not interested in all the events. You just want to receive and process only few events. So this could be possible using adapter classes. So let us see what are the relationship between this adapter classes. If it is an interface, you have to implement every method. Programmer need to utilize most of the method which is listed under the interface, whereas in adapter classes is not mandatory. You can have only the essential classes which is necessary for your program. So what happened, the complexity of the problem can be resolved by calling upon adapter classes. If a listener implement all the classes, all the methods in a class, so obviously the complexity is going to be more, right? So which will lead to unnecessary complexity. So we can avoid all the things. So for example, if you take mouse motion adapter, think that mouse motion adapter is a class. It's an adapter class, and it has got two methods. One is mouse dragged and mouse moved. And you are not interested in mouse drag method. You are interested only in mouse mode method. So which can be done. Or other case is like you are not interested in mouse mode method. You are interested only in mouse dragging. That also can be done. So let us see a small example where we have taken a class called adapter demo. So this is a class name which extends the applet. So this will give you the size of the applet viewer, and every applet has got an init method which is going to initialize the thing. Then we have taken another class called uh, mouse my mouse adapter, which extends mouse adapter, where we have taken a method called mouse clicked, and when mouse is clicked it has to show a status called mouse clicked. There is another class called my mouse motion adapter. This extend mouse motion adapter. There also we have taken a method called mouse dragged, and it is going to show the status when a mouse is dragged. So what happened? So this is going to give you an output in the applet viewer whenever a mouse is clicked or dragged. Rest of the things we have silently ignored. Let me make it clear. If you take mouse as the source for event, there can be many operations performed using this. But what we have done is we have ignored all other methods, all other events. We are taking care of only mouse click and dragging. So which is going to print the message. So next is inner class. So inner class is something like a class inside another class. So let us see how this is going to happen. So we have this is what your applet viewer, where you have taken a class called inner class. This extend applet, and obviously there is a init method for the applet. So we have taken class my mouse adapter extends mouse. Look at this, and where we have a method called mouse pressed, and which is going to show the status mouse pressed. So now if you look at this, the previous case, so inner class demo was the top level class that extend applet, and now my mouse adapter, look at this, my mouse adapter extends mouse adapter. So where I'm going to use show status method directly. Look at this, show status method directly. Why? Because this is no part of a inner class. Let me repeat. The previous class inner class demo is a top level class that extend applet. My mouse adapter is an inner class that extends mouse adapter. See, my mouse adapter is an inner class which extend mouse adapter. So I can use this show status method as if this is present inside the mouse adapter class.